Hello everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kaya Academy and today I'm going to talk about how to install Instagram. All of your friends are using and talking about Instagram, but you don't even know how to install it. Here is the solution for you. The first version of Instagram, which was available for download on October 6, 2010, was for iPhone users. It was a wise decision. The popularity of the iPhone combined with Instagram's ease of use when it came to sharing photos resulted in more than 1 million registered Instagram users by the end of 2010. And you can install the iPhone app not only on your iPhone but also on your iPad if you prefer to use your tablet. So how to install Instagram on an iPhone? It's easy to download Instagram from the App Store to your iPhone. At first you need to tap the App Store icon, tap the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the screen, and then tap the search icon in the lower right corner of the screen, and then tap the search box at the top of the screen and start typing the word Instagram, and tap Instagram in the results list, and then tap Get. And after that, when you download it, just tap Open. I'll just show it from there and on iPad actually because I'm using an iPad right now. Instagram has yet to create a native app for the iPad, which is another one of life's great mysteries, but not at the level of where missing socks go. However, you can use the iPhone app on the iPad. And here's how to install Instagram on an iPad. At first, tap the App Store icon. As you can see, tap the App Store icon and tap the search icon in the lower right corner of the screen. And then tap the search box at the top of the screen and start typing the word Instagram. From there, after you type the first 2 or 3 letters, Instagram appears at the top of the results list. And tap Instagram in the results list. In the upper left corner of the screen, just look at, you need to tap Get here, but because I downloaded beforehand, we have another icon here, so tap this icon, and that's it. If you need to sign into the App Store, type your password in the Sign into the iTunes Store window, and then tap Y. Or if you use Touch ID, place the appropriate finger or thumb on the home button instead. And then when you download it, just tap Open. And that's it. And when we are waiting for the download, I'll just talk about how to install Instagram on an Android. After Instagram was satisfied with the development of its app on the iPhone, staffers turned their attention to developing Instagram for the Android platform. On the first day the app was released, in April 2012, more than 1 million users downloaded it. And here's how to install Instagram from the Google Play Store. At first, you need to tap the Play Store icon on the home screen. If the Play Store icon isn't on a home screen, tap Apps on the home screen and then tap Play Store in the app screen. And then tap the search box at the top of the screen and start typing the word Instagram. After you type, Instagram appears in the results list. Tap Instagram in the results list and then tap Read More to read more about Instagram, and then tap Install and then tap Open, just like I'll just do it right now on iPad, and that's it. You just downloaded the app from there. I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a great day.